Betty, the waitress's retirement surprise. At 81, Betty, a dedicated waitress, struggled to retire due to insufficient Social Security income. Her life took a turn when Tammy Conzier and her son, moved by Betty's story, launched a TikTok video and GoFundMe campaign. The campaign, initially aiming for $25,000, soared to over $328,000, enabling Betty to retire comfortably. She expressed profound gratitude, calling the support a miracle. Lily's wedding tribute to her grandparents. Lily Prinz honored her grandparents by featuring the lemonade stand they built for her childhood in her wedding. The stand, crafted by her grandfather to teach responsibility and entrepreneurship, became a cherished family symbol. Incorporating it into her wedding surprised and delighted her grandparents, reinforcing the importance of family bonds. A subway conductor's uplifting message. In New York City, a subway conductor spontaneously delivered a motivational speech to passengers on the 2 train, encouraging them to stay consistent and embrace their uniqueness. The heartfelt message uplifted riders, fostering a sense of community and positivity during their commute. Promises stand against bullying. 10-year-old Promise Sawyers faced bullying for wearing her natural afro hairstyle. Responding with confidence, she wore her hair proudly to school the next day, capturing a self-motivational video. Her mother shared it on Facebook, and it went viral, inspiring millions and sparking conversations about embracing natural beauty. Ken Nwadike Jr.'s Free Hugs movement. Ken Nwadike Jr., known as the Free Hugs Guy, spreads messages of peace and unity by offering free hugs at public events, including political rallies. His videos promoting kindness and understanding have garnered millions of views, demonstrating the power of simple acts to bridge divides. These stories exemplify the profound impact of empathy, perseverance, and community spirit in everyday life.